What if I told you that just $10 a day, less than your daily coffee or Netflix binge, could build you a tax-free million-dollar portfolio? No gimmicks, no crypto hype, no lottery tickets, just a reliable wealth-building strategy that actually works. Sounds unbelievable, right? That's exactly why most people miss it, while everyone's chasing the next meme stock or falling for another get-rich-quick scheme. Smart investors are quietly building financial freedom with SCHD inside a Roth IRA. This isn't just investing. This is a blueprint for long-term freedom. A strategy that turns ordinary income into extraordinary outcomes. No more worrying about whether you'll ever be able to retire. This is how everyday people, like teachers, truck drivers, and small business owners, take control of their future, one boring but beautiful dollar at a time. And the best part? You don't need thousands of dollars to start. You don't need to be a finance expert. You just need consistency, patience, and a plan. So, if you're tired of the noise, tired of wondering if you're doing the right thing with your money, this video is your wake-up call. We're about to break down how SCHD inside a Roth IRA can turn your spare change into profound change. Grab a pen, take notes, and stay locked in, because this could be the moment your financial future starts to change forever. Welcome to Trailblazers Mindset, where wealth builders come to get inspired. Let's dive in. To ensure we don't leave any stone unturned, let's start by addressing a few questions. 1. What is an ETF? An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is a basket of stocks or other securities bundled together into one investment you can buy and sell on the stock market, just like individual stocks. Think of an ETF as a shopping cart filled with dozens or even hundreds of stocks. Instead of trying to pick a single winning company, you're investing in a diverse portfolio of quality businesses. This spreads out your risk while allowing you to benefit from market growth, dividends, and long-term performance. They are especially powerful because they combine diversification, low costs, and easy access for everyday investors. 2. Why SCHD? SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, is one of the most respected dividend-focused exchange-traded funds available. It tracks the Dow Jones U.S. Dividend 100 Index, which includes high-quality companies with a strong track record of paying and growing dividends. Here's why investors love SCHD. 1. Dividend yield. Currently around 3.5% to 4%, meaning consistent income just for holding it. 2. Dividend growth. SCHD companies historically raise dividends, helping your passive income beat inflation. 3. Low expense ratio. Just 0.06%. That's $6 annually per $10,000 invested. 4. Blue chip holdings. You own slices of companies like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Texas Instruments, Cisco, and more. These are established, profitable businesses that send money back to you every quarter. Before we continue, if you find value in this video, please hit the subscribe button to join our growing community. We appreciate your support. Thank you. Now the third question. What is a Roth IRA? A Roth individual retirement account, also known as a Roth IRA, is one of the most powerful wealth-building vehicles available to Americans. With a Roth IRA, you contribute money you've already paid taxes on, after-tax dollars, and it grows tax-free. The magic happens when you retire, because you get to withdraw every penny, including earnings and dividends, tax-free. The following are the major Roth IRA benefits. 1. Tax-free growth. Unlike traditional accounts, Roth IRAs let your money grow without being taxed along the way. 2. Tax-free withdrawals. In retirement, you won't owe a dime on your gains. 3. No RMDs. Roth IRAs don't require mandatory withdrawals at age 73 like traditional IRAs do. 4. Inheritance benefits. Your heirs can inherit the account tax-free, with some conditions. Now imagine combining the consistent, compounding power of SCHD with the tax-free growth of a Roth IRA. You've created what we call the Wealth Shield. Next, let's discuss why SCHD in a Roth IRA is the ultimate wealth shield. SCHD on its own is powerful. It generates consistent dividends and long-term price appreciation. But when you hold SCHD inside a Roth IRA, those quarterly dividends and annual capital gains grow completely tax-free. Think about these. 1. Dividend reinvestment. SCHD pays you quarterly dividends. In a Roth IRA, you can reinvest them into more SCHD shares, all tax-free. 2. Compound growth. Over time, this reinvestment snowballs. You're earning dividends on your dividends, and the tax-free environment accelerates your compounding. 3. Long-term safety. SCHDs focus on quality, established companies provides a cushion against market volatility, and the Roth IRA shelters your growth from Uncle Sam. Let's say you earn $5,000 in dividends in a year from SCHD. In a taxable account, you might lose $750 or more to taxes, but in a Roth IRA, you keep all of it to reinvest and grow. Now let's talk numbers. What can $10, $20, or $30 per day become? Let's assume that you are investing a fixed amount every single day, either $10, $20, or $30, into SCHD inside a Roth IRA, which historically has delivered returns around 10% annually, especially with dividends reinvested. That 10% includes regular quarterly dividends, price appreciation of the ETF over time, and in a Roth IRA, all this growth is 100% tax-free. Let's break it down further. As you know, with the exception of a leap year, there are 365 days in a year. Therefore, after 1 year of investing $10 daily, you would have contributed $10 multiplied by 365, which equals $3,650. In 10 years, the total invested will be $3,650 multiplied by 10, which equals $36,650. However, here comes the magic. Based on the reinvestment of dividends, price appreciation of the ETF, and being in a Roth IRA, the total value of the investment after 10 years is $64,588. The total value of your investment after 20 years is $129,176. And believe it or not, your total investment after 30 years is $193,764. Remember, this is totally based on a daily investment of $10, the price of 1 cup of coffee or 2 small bottles of water. The table below provides the details for $20 and $30 when invested daily for 10, 20, and 30 years. You can pause the video to write down the numbers. Basically, this is telling you that $10 a day for 30 years becomes over $660,000, tax-free. That's just coffee money, turned into over $500,000. $20 per day for 30 years, you're now a tax-free millionaire with $1.3 million. You didn't win the lottery. You just showed up daily and stayed consistent. $30 per day for 30 years. That's nearly $2 million completely shielded from taxes. In case you are wondering why these numbers matter. 1. Without a Roth IRA, you'd lose tens of thousands to dividend and capital gains taxes. 2. But inside the Roth IRA, every single dollar stays in your portfolio to grow more. 3. That's the power of compound interest plus tax-free growth, a combo that acts like a financial supercharger. As we wrap up, let me remind you that the beauty of this strategy lies in its simplicity and accessibility. You don't need to be a financial expert, have a large starting balance, or actively manage your investments. The combination of SCHD's quality dividend-paying companies and the Roth IRA's tax advantages creates a virtually maintenance-free wealth-building machine. Starting early amplifies the benefits dramatically due to compound growth, but even investors beginning later in life can benefit significantly from this approach. The key is consistency, making regular contributions regardless of market conditions and allowing time and compound growth to work their magic. The question isn't whether you can afford to implement this wealth shield strategy. The question is whether you can afford not to. Every month you delay is a month of tax-free compound growth you'll never recover. Your future self will thank you for taking action today. If you're serious about building real wealth, then consider this channel as your financial gym. Every video is a workout for your portfolio, your mindset, and your money skills. If today's video helped you level up your financial education, even just a little, please smash that like button and subscribe so we can continue to grow and build wealth together. If you are interested in how savvy investors are turning $20 a day into $1.4 million, check out our video on that topic. The link is in the description. Please note that we are not financial advisors. This content is for informational purposes only. Click on the next video on your screen. We appreciate your support. Thank you.